everyone! Yara here to show you how to use the new Flex Camera feature on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. With Flex Camera, I can take a picture and see it instantly without having to go into my gallery. All you have to do is fold it a bit and flex mode kicks in. I'm able to take pictures and preview them at the same time. Then I can adjust my framing before I take another picture and make sure I get it just right. Another great thing about this feature is that it works in both portrait and landscape mode. And it can even make the front screen into a second viewfinder. Just toggle the dual preview icon to enable it. I use the dual preview a lot for family group photos. It lets us see exactly where to stand to fit all 5 of us in frame. This is how I use Flex Camera. Make sure to check out how to use other features so you can get the most out of your Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G.